Hello, my name is Paige. I'm a PhD student at the Rosie Lab at Simon Fraser University, and I'm presenting our demo, I'm a Robot, Hear Me Speak. As you listen to a few of these ambient context noises, think about both the ambience and the social context. How would you adapt your voice if you were a server in one of these restaurants? Would you use the same voice in the fine dining restaurant as in the lively restaurant, or your cafe voice in the nightclub? Probably not. So would it be appropriate to put a robot in each of these environments with the same voice? I'm going to play some videos where we are going to look at the robot in different ambiances by changing the background, lighting, and sounds, while playing 3 different robot voices in order of neutral, joyful, and Lombard voice.
Hi there, hope you're doing well. I hope you've had a chance to take a look at the menu. I recommend the daily special. Hi there, hope you're doing well. I hope you've had a chance to take a look at the menu. I recommend the daily special. Hi there, hope you're doing well. I hope you've had a chance to take a look at the menu. I recommend the daily special. Hi there, hope you're doing well. I hope you've had a chance to take a look at the menu. I recommend the daily special. What can I get you? Hope you're doing well. I hope you've had a chance to take a look at the menu. I recommend the daily special. What can I get you? Hi there. Hope you're doing well. I hope you've had a chance to take a look at the menu. I recommend the daily special. What can I get you? Hi there. Hope you're doing well. I hope you've had a chance to take a look at the menu. I recommend the daily special. What can I get you?